Hello everyone, Lucas Burton here from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to highlight a new arrival. It's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz Metris Explorer conversion van, 7-passenger van. It's a bronze metallic exterior paint, has a monochromatic paint scheme all around. Down low has chrome wrapped fog lights, the chrome Mercedes-Benz emblem grille, 18-inch Helo wheels. This van does have power sliding doors on both sides, which is a very nice feature. Take a quick peek in the back here. So seating for 7, you have your 2 captain's chairs followed by your power folding bench in the rear. I'm just gonna walk around, get a good look at this van first before we get inside. Has the rear backup sensors, rear backup camera. Let's take a look inside here. It's a very, very spacious van. You're seating for 3 back here with your power folding bench. You do have a little storage cabinet that's lighted up in here. Skylights all around. Flat screen TV mounted up top. Blu-ray player and power USB outlets down low. Also have a 120 volt outlet as well. Cup holders, your remotes for your TV and DVD. Up front has touchscreen radio. All your hands-free controls on your steering wheel for your cruise control, make phone calls with Bluetooth. Your HVAC system down here with all your controls to adjust your thermostat. Cup holders that pulls up and has storage for ice box. Couple cup holders here, storage bin down below. Power controls for your door locks and windows. The side of your seats has your heated seats and on-off button for your heated seats. Again, we're looking at stock number CP16551T. I'm Lucas Burton. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio, or visit us online at sherryvans.com, or you can give me a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129.